I want you in a burger, so I'm good at it for.
You want me to? I'm fine. We're going to be doing a quick little rainbow haul. If you're new here, hi. I like to buy a lot of stuff from Rainbow because they're affordable and the store is right there basically. So this is the first dress. I look like a pink highlighter pen, but I don't mind. Like I've said in my other video, I guess because my daughter has so much pink clothes, now I'm attracted to pink clothes. I've never been a fan of pink, especially bright pink. Like I'm not a pink girl. Catch me in black, catch me in gray, catch me in green or something like that. But pink has never been it for me. So this is a step of the comfort zone. I look like a highlighter. Babe, what would you rate this dress? Yeah, so we have a no. What?
On a scale?
On a scale from 1 to 10.
Oh, that dress. I thought you had the other outfit.
No, it's okay. What's your? What do you rate it?
Nice.
1 out of 10.
I give it about a 9.
A 9?
Yeah, you made it a 9. I couldn't lose you in the crowd. This damn neon. It looked like it glow in the dark. But if it just shake well.
And this is like a scuba material, so it's really gonna suck you in all the right places. This is bomb. And how much do you think this cost, babe?
It looks like it rolls up easily. Oh, God. Get it wrong?
How much do you think it cost?
60.
$60? Unfortunately, he's very much wrong. It's $9.99.
Oh.
And this is in a size medium. So, if you have a rainbow near you, here's a gem right here.
First I look at it. Wow.
So this is the next dress. I don't know where the price tag is, but this is bomb. It's not double line, but it's made from a nice thick fabric. So again, it's going to suck you in all the right places. And this is below the knee, which I like a lot. Babe, come tell me if it's see-through. Because I'm in front of a whole bunch of lights.
See-through?
Yeah, so if this is see-through, he's definitely gonna see.
Why don't you use this light? Let's see if it made any difference in the video.
Is he true?
Mm-hmm.
No.
What's this one? That actually looks way better, man. Yeah. Jeez.
I think this was $12.
Really?
Mm-hmm. See again. What size?
And that's another more size.
What? How much is it?
$14.97.
14.97. And this size not in here too?
Hmm?
This size is not in here.
Let's see. Large, you said?
Large. Large and in charge.
That's another roll to the
He got this roll of material. $14.99. I think it's worth the $14.99, especially since it's not see-through. So yeah. What do you think about my gym outfit, babe?
Think about that? I like that. I'll sit down on the floor. I'll chill. I want that definitely see-through.
This is for sure see-through. It's not the
What's in
one.
front? And I see-through. Kind of confusing.
One out of 10.
1 out of
10. Wait, oh.
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
Really?
How much out of 10 is what
Yeah.
that means?
I want you in a burger, so I'm good at it for.
You want me to How far?
Nah, I'll give that one an 8, 9.
A 9?
Yeah. You have to pull the whole outfit off first. It looks good though. I like the material.
Yeah.
Pum pum fat leg. Middle of floor.
Alright, so. And it has pockets, which is nice. Especially if you're gonna wear this to the gym.
To the gym.
Mm-hmm.
I want to wear that go gym.
You know, people wear this to the gym. It's a gym outfit.
Yeah, what you got for you?
Definitely not. And it has pockets, so you can put your phone in it. All of that.
And no one go gym and
You said anybody will go into the gym in this. I'm actually trying to pinch. Alright, so. So this is a small medium and it's $14.99. So this is $10.99. It's a large, and this is super comfortable. Okay, this is to the park on a road trip. I actually used to have a jumpsuit like this when I first met Babe, but now that jumpsuit has turned into something that I only can wear in the house. So this is cute, comfy. It's short, but it's not too short. Yeah. I've been suffering too long. What did I say? Now it's time for me to shake my ass on a yacht. Last thing that I got from Rainbow, it's in this pink and black cheetah print. This is actually in a small because it's super stretchy. This is actually more similar to the one that I used to have. This is definitely chill in the house vibes for me because I could never wear this out. Okay, some people actually wear stuff like this out with a duster or an oversized shirt, but without stop traffic, you know, this or people would have made an accident. So this is definitely chill in the house for me. That's why I bought it anyways. Really?
Yeah.
It's not see-through?
No.
No?
No.
I thought it was see-through.
I can't see a damn thing unless I'm losing my sight.
Well, there you have it. It's approved figure one. Well, I don't know about that one. For me personally, this is more. I'm chilling in my house. Like him said, this is sketch a man while getting groceries. But this for me is chilling in the house, watching TV, and I want something comfortable. That's why I bought it. But anyways, he says it's not see-through, so if I'm wearing this, I would definitely have to wear this with an oversized shirt, oversized button-up, duster, something. Because this is just a whole lot of body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. And I feel self-conscious, you know, in my house, much less to wear this outside. But anyways, tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Which outfit was your favorite? And which outfit you're gonna go to Rainbow and look if you see. I also have another Rainbow haul where I found some really nice gems. I'll definitely link that one for you guys. And I kind of accentuate the football a little bit, but it's whatever. Whatever.
Broil.
London broil. I don't have any.
Top round London broil.
Top round London broil. He always buy the beef. I always cook it. I don't know what specific type of beef it is, so he is specifying it for you. London broil top beef.
Top round the London broil.
Okay.
Boneless. On the more expensive side, but it cooks better for this particular dish. This piece right here is $15, so it's not that expensive.
And he is just slicing them thinner, so it takes less time to cook.
So you're gonna need a good something to slice. And just go down the middle and slice it. Like so. That's it.
Here is what I like to use. Vinegar. Where's it been?
The water dropped in the pool significantly from yesterday to today.
Because it's been hot as hell outside. So as far as seasoning goes, the first thing I like to use is my soy sauce. This is gonna give it a nice color. Then this is the McCormick Grill Mates seasoning. This is the season I use. Babe bought some in the pack. Hi, Milani. And I like to sprinkle a little bit of Larry's in there. And then to cook down the beef, I like to use beef broth, and this is the kind that I normally use. So, and I'm sure somebody's gonna ask me what is the measurement for babe. For this,
What's that sound?
I can't tell you guys at all what's the measurement. I just do it by eye. My grandfather used to make this, and I've watched him made it. This is what we used to eat. Yeah. This is what we used to eat every Christmas for breakfast. And then...
Is the camera foggy?
No. I adjusted it. Okay. Where my small tripod is that actually holds this camera over. I need to find it. Yeah, man. Yeah. And then I like to stick it in the fridge for a few minutes. Not your stick it in, babe. Stick the food in the fridge for a few minutes. And then that's it. So you want your stove, your pot with oil, super duper hot, okay? Because you're basically going to be roasting the beef on top of the stove first. So. I'm gonna put my stove on high. I'll leave this on top of here. So when you turn it, this is how you want it to look when you turn it. I like it's fogging up, it's fogging up. So after I flip them on one side, I like to go ahead and take out some of the oil because I'm going to use this to make the sauce. And this is about 20 minutes in, and I'll check at nice and brown. I don't like to put too much broth on there because I don't want it to be soppy. So I'm gonna put it back between 8 and 7, and I'm not gonna cover it. I'm just gonna let it cook. And it do get a bit messy, but you gotta clean as you go. This right here, I forgot that this is on. So this meal right here is a labor of love because it takes a while to do. So I think the kale with some peanut oil would be amazing, but I'm just using regular oil for now.
Can you see that plate there again?
Craig, Dolly,
This is my plate.
Dolly, you look at the original, imaginative, bold.
So this meal is not something you cook for somebody that you've been dating for a few months, somebody that you're not sure about, somebody that is not giving you the right vibe. This is a meal you make for someone that is about to be your husband or is already your husband. Because this beef actually takes about 2 hours to cook and 2 hours to get really tender and nice. So if you want something new and fresh to eat, if you're tired of eating fish, chicken, shrimp, seafood, and you want to try a different method of making beef, this is it, okay? You won't go wrong with this. Babes, this is a virgin plate. So this is the end product. This is how it looks. So this is the dressing that I'm gonna use, babe. bought this strawberry flavor dressing. I think it's gonna go perfectly with the smoky flavors.
The vinaigrette.
So, and that's that. It's done.
You got a picture of your plate?
Yeah, I did. Apologize again.
He'll be apologizing for that. That's the rest of his life.
And that's how it goes.
That's how it goes. Toxic.
So that's toxic.
Very toxic. Apologize once, let it go, keep it moving. Hi, be careful.
You can't tell somebody how long it takes to get over something that you did.
That's true, but you shouldn't drag it on for life, though.
It's not gonna be dragged on for life. It's just gonna be dragged on until I feel like, okay, I can get over it now.
That's life. Years later is life. Some things really ain't that serious. Oh yeah, true like that, true bubblegum. I hope you don't have me on camera. I'm gonna punch you.
I do. What do you think about the meal, babe?
It's good. Awesome.
It's awesome.
Got over 8.
Nigga rice is officially setting in ready for that. And Kai don't eat meat. And Babe gave him a whole bunch of beef and he ate.
No, he ate all the beef out of my food and I got him more and he ate it.
So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. And I'll see you next Sunday, same place, same time, and more vlogs. Deuces.